Subtract and shine. Mastering decimal subtraction. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to master subtracting decimals, an essential skill that you'll use in all sorts of real-life situations. Let's break it down step by step and make this topic as easy as pie. Before we dive into subtraction, let's recall what a decimal is. A decimal is a fraction expressed in the base 10 system. The part of the number to the left of the decimal point is the whole number, while the part to the right of the point represents fractions of a whole. For instance, in the number 13.45, 13 is the whole number and 0.45 represents the fractional part. When subtracting decimals, it's important to align them correctly. We place the numbers vertically, making sure to line up the decimal points. For example, if we're subtracting 2.3 from 5.6, we set it up as 5.6, 2.3. Once the decimal numbers are properly aligned, we subtract as we usually do with whole numbers. 5.6, 2.3, 3.3. The answer, or difference, is 3.3. Note that the decimal point in the answer is directly below the decimal points in the numbers we are subtracting. Sometimes, we have to subtract decimals where the numbers have a different number of decimal places. In such cases, we add zeros to the end of the number with fewer decimal places. This does not change the value of the number but helps in alignment for subtraction. For example, if we're subtracting 2.35 from 5.6, we rewrite it as 5.60 and then set it up. 5.60, 2.35. Then we subtract as usual, remembering to drop the decimal point straight down into our answer. And there you have it. Now you know how to master subtracting decimals. Remember, the key steps are to align the decimals, pad with zeros if necessary, and then subtract as usual. I hope this video made the concept of subtracting decimals clear. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time. Until next time, happy learning!